I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to check your balance on your Prepaid SIM, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Dial the balance check code. Open your phone's dialer and enter the balance check code. For this is usually *###. Press the call button to initiate the check. Step 2. Wait for the response. After dialing, wait a moment for the system to process your request. You should receive a text message or a voice response with your current balance. Step 3. Check your app. If you have the My app installed, open it and log in. Your balance will be displayed on the home screen. This is a quick way to keep track of your usage. Step 4. Use the website. Visit the website and log into your account. Navigate to the account overview section to find your balance and any additional details about your plan. Step 5. Contact customer service. If you're having trouble checking your balance, call customer service at 150 from your phone. They can provide you a balance and help with any issues. Remember, keeping track of your balance can help avoid unexpected charges. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.